I am for the prisoner, my lord. I tender my unconditional apology, my lord.
I am for the district primary school council.
Accepting your
Without
apology.
informing me, the matter has been mentioned, my lord. I was having no
Advocate
information.
should take responsibility of these things. Kids do not take the responsibility. In no time, y'all will be out of the court.
I'm retiring myself from this matter, my lord, because
Whether you are retiring or not, as it is, she has mentioned that this has come from the legal aid services. Then it's a very bad indication.
my lord, I have been repeatedly called by her, my lord, and my lord, I have communicated your ladyship's order to the board, my lord. They have also made a communication. They are taking steps, my lord. Kindly peruse this document, my lord.
What was her prayer?
My lord,
Why has it come up in the list? What was her prayer?
my lord, she is saying that she intend to file an appeal against your ladyship's order.
Very well, sir. Let the appeal be filed. Why has it been mentioned over here?
She never asked me for do so, my lord. She never discussed the matter with me,
Inquire
my lord.
from her. Inquire what she wants.
My lord, your ladyship has given 90 days time, my lord, to the appellate authority. Let them do their job, my lord. If they will not do it within the stipulated time,
that is something else.
my lord.
The petitioner always has a right to prefer an appeal if the litigant is not satisfied with the order passed by the learned trial judge.
Until and unless I'll get the instruction, my lord, what I can do. She never disclosed all these things to me, my lord. Straight away, she came to your ladyship and mentioned the matter, my lord.
Oh, what is it?
Here it is written, madam, may I communicate in my mother tongue?
Yes, yes.
ম্যাডাম ওই দুপাতার আপনার জাজমেন্ট যেটা 16ই আগস্ট আপনি দিয়েছিলেন, লাস্ট লাইনে লেখা আছে দ্য ম্যাটার ইজ ডিসপোজড অফ। অ্যান্ড যেহেতু ম্যাটার ডিসপোজড অফ এবং লিগাল এড ওনাকে অ্যাপয়েন্ট করেছিল, উনি বলেছেন যে ওনার কাজ হ্যাজ বিন ডান, এবং উনি আমাকে এসএমএস করে ইত্যাদি জানিয়েছিলেন। এবং কমিউনিকেশনের রাস্তায় উনি অনেক হেল্প করেছেন। আমি আর কাদা ছড়াছড়িতে যাচ্ছি না।
আপনি
উনি
কি চাইছেন বলুন?
ম্যাডাম আই ওয়ান্ট দ্যাট
বাংলাতে বলতে পারেন।
ম্যাডাম আমি চাইছি 12 উইকের মধ্যে আপনি যেরকম অর্ডার দিয়েছিলেন, দুর্গা খৈতান চেয়ারপারসন অফ অ্যাপিলেট অথরিটি অফ বোর্ড জানিয়েছেন উনি কোনো হিয়ারিংই করতে পারবেন না, অর্ডার দেওয়া দূরের কথা। তো এইটা যেন আপনি একটা অর্ডার দেন যে উনি সিঙ্গেল মানে একাই যেন হিয়ারিং শোনেন। উনি বলছেন যেহেতু স্কুল এডুকেশন ডিপার্টমেন্ট এখনো ফুল প্যানেল অ্যাপয়েন্ট করেনি, উনি করবেন না, কোনো হিয়ারিংই উনি অ্যারেঞ্জ করবেন না, শুনবেনও না। এবারে আমি একজন ট্রান্সজেন্ডার পার্সন ম্যাডাম। Madam, Ami for last 9 months terminated with zero salary and only.
So on 7/8/2024 was ordered that it will be heard after the formation of committee. So my name is
How many members are there in this committee?
I do not know, Maharaj.
You don't know. Where is the board?
Committee last 5 years.
Where is the board? Where is the board? কোথায় গেল? Please, who is appearing? No, I want the board.
Online,
Mr. Gaurav Das is not appearing for the board. Try to
Madam,
understand.
for the council.
Where is Mr. Biswas? He was here just now. Call him. Call him. Call him. I'm passing it over. Let him come.
I missed the list, my lord. For this reason, my lord, I was not there in first.
I wanted the council for the state.
My lord, I have informed Mr. Buisho.
There, Mr. Boishu.
Lord, section 91, Lord, as per the section board is appeal committee, Lord.
Who is going to constitute the appeal committee?
Board. Section 91.
It was submitted in the morning that
No.
state is going to show. Please show who are the members of the committee.
Just now I inform Lordship. Lordship, here, Lordship, I am reading it, Lordship. 91 appeal committee. The board shall constitute an appeal committee. 2. Appeal committee shall consist of the following members. One person who is or has been a member of the West Bengal Higher Judicial Service to be nominated by the state government.
That is there already.
Second, Lordship, 2 teachers to be nominated by the board.
Yes.
From amongst the teacher elected to the board under clause D of section 4. Third, the director of the school education government of West Bengal.
This is most vital.
Not below the rank of deputy director of the school education, and a member of the primary school council who is also an employee of that primary school council to be nominated by the board. 3. The person nominated under clause A, the subsection 2, shall be the chairman of the appeal committee.
Very well. So it is to be constituted by the board. I want the committee to be constituted immediately. Otherwise,
and the director is to be nominated or his nominee
by the board.
Lordship, I am giving in Lordship that
What happened, now I have to start from the chairman of the appeal committee was very 2nd August 2020.
Chairman of the appeal committee was? Yes.
Appeal committee. 2nd August 2020.
Very well. What about the other members?
Board was constituted, Malad,
22nd August
2nd August 2024. So therefore, Malad, immediately Malad, it will be constituted. 22nd August, board
Yes.
committee of board constituted.
It's constituted.
by the school education department.
My lord, my instruction is otherwise, my lord.
So, Malad, my instruction, Malad, I will write down
The constitution of the new appeal committee is awaited since 15th of July 2022. 2022.
Chairman.
7th. Are you aware of this?
I do not.
Let me read out for everybody to hear. On 7th August 2024, it was ordered that the new appeal committee is yet to be constituted by the board in terms of section 91, and the instant case shall be placed for hearing and adjudication before the committee as soon as the same is constituted. Parties are informed accordingly. This is signed by the chairperson of the appeal committee on 27th of August.
Chairman of the appeal committee, Malad, the office, Malad, 2nd August 2020.
Yes.
Thereafter, Malad, since the appeal committee was about to expire, the ad hoc committee. The ad hoc committee also Malad constituted 22nd August. I am told, but I am started. The appeal committee immediately, Malad,
Immediately means when?
Malad, ad hoc committee.
Give me some more time, Lordship.
Ad hoc committee has to be Malad. And Malad,
Oh, within 7 days?
No, 7 days.
My lord, within 7
No, I won't see, because this has been placed before me, 27th of August, the chairperson's communication, which has been forwarded to the petitioner.
Because I tell you, Lordship, January 23rd, the chairman was Malad transferred from the board. January 23rd.
23rd January was a working day?
January 2023.
Oh, in January 23.
From the Malad.
But then
Now there is
it
a
mentions that the constitution.
Malad, their committee cannot be constituted. That is why there is a Malad late.
There is an appeal committee which is not functioning from July 2022. What is the use? All appeals becomes infructuous when the appellate authority does not exist.
Yeah.
If there is no appeal, no appeal.
But if you know one appeal, but I'm not appeal. Malad, your Lordship, Malad.
I'll keep it on next Monday. Give me the constitution of the committee.
But here, Lordship, them.
Probably Malad.
No court will be there.
Appeal committee, formation of the appeal committee, Malad has to be a meeting of the ad hoc committee.
Yes, you say it will be done immediately.
Yes.
Can you do not fix on Monday, Malad?
Next following Monday
Following Monday, your Lordship, Malad.
and a fortnight.
But Lordship, this matter is disposed of, no, Lord.
Absolutely disposed of matter. This order will become unworkable if the committee is not there.
my lord.
But Lordship, without Lordship filing any application, Lordship, because
Nothing has been filed. The court is taking suo motu cognizance that the appeal committee is not there.
no, Lordship.
And
Otherwise,
if you
Lordship.
want judicial orders to be passed, I'll pass it. But I'm not doing anything. I'm just keeping it pending because it will remain pending in.
No, Lordship,
Even if-
I am telling you,
even
Lordship,
if-
I am telling if the matter is disposed of, Lordship, if the
Yes.
Lordship reopen the, otherwise, Lordship, as per the Lordship, I'm telling you, matter is disposed of, Lordship, one line file application, that is better in all the parts, Lordship.
No, I will not
They
pass
will
any
be
order.
able
I'll
to
simply
comply
keep
with
it on
the
the
order.
list on 17th.
Contempt file karo.
Compliance will not be done.
17th.
Contempt file karo.
It's very easy, Mr. Boisho.
No, I am not,
Advice.
but here, Lordship, otherwise.
I will give leave to file contempt and you bear the
Madam, 1 minute,
expenses.
No, I am not, but board, Lordship, here, Lordship,
Whatever.
it is, Lord.
The respondents, I'll make
Yes.
them pay the costs. So don't make all these submissions. আপনি কি আর কিছু বলছিলেন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
কি বলছিলেন?
ম্যাডাম, আমি ট্রান্সজেন্ডার পার্সন অ্যান্ড আমার
তো সেটা তো
4-5 মাস
হাইলাইট
ফ্যামিলি।
করার দরকার
উনি
নেই।
এত টাইম চাইছেন, আমি লাস্ট 9 মান্থ টার্মিনেটেড, এবং আমার টার্মিনেশনে আপনি যদি এই পেজ নাম্বার গুলো দেখেন,
আমি
আরটিআই এর
ওগুলো সব
রিপ্লাই।
দেখেছি, আমি ওগুলো সব দেখেছি। অ্যাপিল কমিটিটা কনস্টিটিউট হোক, তারপর যা হবার হবে, তার আগে তো কিছু হবে না।
হ্যাঁ, ইয়েস,
ওয়েট করুন।
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাডাম।
ইয়েস।
The matter will appeal, Lordship, after